visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me Babylon. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
Hello everyone, welcome po sa inyong almost personal readings. So let's check kung anong nangyayari dito sa paligid. Makikichismis tayo sa inyong love life. Of course, most of you are here because of a romantic reading. So I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate po sa buong reading na ito or baka konti lamang. Take what's only yours and believe in the divine timing. Ano po? So, kung kailan nyo po ito napanood, the message is meant to find you. So, we have the King of Swords, the Nine of Swords, and the Ten of Pentacles. So, medyo stressed tayo ngayon dahil itong person natin parang either naghihigpit, I don't know kung naghihigpit because of selos, naghihigpit dahil, parang irritable sila ngayon, no? We're stressed on that. And also, pwede rin ito naghihigpit when it comes to finances. Baka kasi meron din silang financial problem as of the moment. Probably, nadrag tayo doon sa ganong situation, whether this is um, nagastos, no, or nawala itong finances na ito in a good or bad way. One thing's for sure, parang andali, this is additional problem to me, no? With the strength card and the justice. Well, in a good way naman. Kaso ang siste dito, let's say, nag-business, ganun talaga, 'di ba, pag business, hindi siya hindi palaging Pasko, no? Meron talagang business na sometimes pwede mong sabihin na okay, I'm going to take that as a lesson, no, sa aking buhay. So probably hindi maganda yung resulta, pwedeng nagkautang o yun na yung last na savings ninyo. So pwedeng itong mag-asawa or magjowa na meron talagang plans of putting up a business in the future. So the Hermit and the Ace of Cups. So parang kahit ganun pa man, I am staying. Okay, nandito yung true love. It just so happened with the Hermit, ano itong Hermit? Next time ba ako hawak ng pera? Gusto ko sanang sabihin. Or next time ba parang kailangan muna namin pag-usapan. It should have a, mutual agreement, no? Bago magsimula. Of course, hindi dito to matatapos dahil, again, I feel like these couple, meron silang plan of improving themselves, no? In the future. Sino ba namang hindi? Gustong mag-improve ang financial status, of course, maging komportable sa buhay. So with the Six of Swords and the Hierophant, it kind of make me feel na siguro it's more of sinasabi ng isa dito, halika lumapit tayo doon sa aking mga magulang, the Hermit, no? And the Hierophant is here. Parang siguro umaayaw naman itong isa. I know siguro ito yung nanggagaling with the King of Swords sa it can be ego, no? Or baka kasi ayokong sabihin, no, that I am a failure. Ayokong matag or makilala or magkaroon ng impression, no, na failure ako sa harap ng mga magulang mo. That's understandable, pero Oo nga naman. Um, Knowing or understanding the side of the King of Swords, parang mapapasabi ka nga na oo nga naman. Kasi nandun tayo sa part na kapag lumapit ako at sinabi kong ito yung nangyari, shit, I am a failure and probably yun na yung magiging tingin sa akin, no? I probably lost my dignity. I probably lost they're going to lose their respect to me. Um, pero on the side of this um partner, hindi naman sila gano'n. Malawak ang kanilang pangunawa and it felt like, siyempre, yun yung kanyang kinalakihang magulang. Alam niya na hindi gano'n yung magiging tingin. Pero kasi with the King of Swords, more of, sandali, I'm not ready or probably I don't want to, no? So with the High Priestess, the Ten of Wands, and the World card, oh wow, parang kahit ayaw nitong tao na huwag kang lumapit sa magulang mo, parang gagawin niya pa rin, 'no? Gagawin niya pa rin for the sake of tumulong sa'yo, maalis ka sa lugar ng burden. Let's clarify the Ten of Wands. Ten of Wands is clarified by the Queen of Pentacles and the Moon card. Um, mhm, Queen of Pentacles. So, ibibigay naman siya. Kaso parang with the Moon card, ano itong parang uncertain. Uncertain because of probably I also do not want. So may kanya-kanyang agenda, no? Parang sinasabi nitong isa, wag kang kumuha or wag kang humingi ng tulong. Yung isa naman, hindi ko sa'yo sasabihin pero huhihingi ako ng tulong nang hindi mo alam. Para at least umalis ka doon sa ganoong burden. With the Ace of Swords and the Hangman, so I feel like there's victory in here kasi the Ace of Swords showed up. Pero it felt like itong secrecy, kasi we can consider this secrecy. It felt like it might going to be haunting this relationship for quite a while. Hermit showed up, Hierophant showed up, it's longevity, the Hangman in here. So, ang hirap din ng sitwasyon na 'to kasi both are keeping a secret. Um, Not a secret na, ikakasira ng puwede rin kasing ikasira ito ng relasyon, if in case malaman nung isa. Depende 'no, sa magiging attitude niya or tingin niya in the future. Pero kasi the hangman meron na kayong tinatago sa isa't isa. So, it felt like yun nga, magkakaroon dito ng, um, alam mo yung tuwing nakikita kita para akong hindi mapakali kasi alam ko meron akong tinatago, no? The Hangman is clarified by the Knight of Wands and the Five of Swords. So, buti na lang. It felt like kung ikaw naman itong nanghiram sa iyong mga magulang para tulungan, no, itong iyong asawa, um, mas mabuti pa siguro nga na ilihim mo kasi with the Knight of Wands, it's more of in the long run with the Five of Swords. Um, Mahihilot ito, eh, 'no? Siyempre magkakaroon din ng discussions pero hindi ito puputok ng gano'n kalaki. Unlike, sabihin mo right there and then. So with the Five of Swords, it felt like there will be misunderstanding but more of logical din, magiging logical naman and somewhat yung misunderstanding is more of konti lang than winning. Winning is maiintindihan ka on the latter part pa, no? So yeah, it felt like ilihim mo muna kung ito talaga ang iyong plano, no? So this is your reading. Let's check the zodiac sign of your person. Pero bago po yan, gusto ko pong ipaalam sa inyo na sa description box ng video na ito, there is a link. Yeah, kung kayo mayroong mga personal na tanong, so click the link, you will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung name, number, QR code, amount per questions, take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 kasi discounted na po yun. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. So let's check now the zodiac sign of your person. This can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart, or pwede rin itong um, inyong sun sign or placement ng inyong chart, no? I'm seeing Libra, Leo, Scorpio, Aquarius. I am seeing Gemini. Scorpio is very dominant. Taurus is here. I'm seeing Pisces, Capricorn. I'm seeing Aries. Yeah, Libra is also dominant. Leo is dominant. Taurus is dominant. Virgo is dominant. Cancer is here. Capricorn is here. Yan, nasabi ko na. Virgo is here. Yep, nasabi ko na rin. Yan, so this is your reading. Maraming salamat. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.